Yes, my name is Blessed Charles and
Alain.
This is Basenyonjo. Our latest, the Mugole of the year. The Mugole of the year, just with the hair here. Yes, the husband, don't say that, you things, you people, you can talk, eh? So the husband is just here, is getting something for her as we take this selfie together. You know, the events manager and the Vakule Banange, the function was so awesome, Banange. Now, very soon you're going to see the Mugole, the Mr. Senyonjo, the only man around. Eh? Yeah, so we just here. Yes, Alan, congratulations to your wedding.
Thank you.
Banange, you people,
Thank
so
you for the great work you did. It was awesome. We enjoyed our wedding, no stress.
Wow.
It was fun.
Wow.
Come on, sweetie. Come and join us.
Yes, Mr. Senyonjo is here. You're going to see him. He's enjoying a bicycle here. You're going to see him.
Just roll it.
Yes, that is him. Hope you can see him.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Senyonjo.
Hello.
Yeah, you have a wedding here. Would you pass by here?
It's going to take back the
Yes, it's coming. It's coming, and we're just enjoying ourselves here. Yes, people. Mchala Senyonjo, what's your advice to someone who wants to enter into marriage?
Someone who wants to enter into marriage.
Yeah.
I advise them to be more prayerful, patient, and not to be with so much expectations. How do I call it? Don't expect too much from your partner, so you can enjoy your marriage. Just go.
The man is
ready
here.
to deposit love, not to withdraw love. Just be ready to deposit love. Yes, and marriage will be sweet.
Amen. Yeah, like I was telling you, he's back.
Yeah.
You see that gentleman? That is the guy you've been seeing me posting everywhere. I'm just here with my Bagule, that BGPevents. We just here. This is my team, eh? Yes, Mr. Senyonjo.
Yeah.
I'm just happy to be with you here.
I'm also happy too.
Yes, congratulations. You picked a beautiful wife.
Thank you, my man.
How did you do it? Tell us. How did you do
my
it?
friend, it is God's grace. Yeah.
I saw that scripture.
Connection.
Proverbs 18:22 coming pass. Coming to pass, eh?
Yeah.
You know, there you just gain God's favor after seeing a beautiful wife. Oh my goodness.
We are in God's promise.
Bino bye birumiani.
Shaitan.
Wow.